ano po yung gusto mong baguhin sa akin? O kaya naman, Lord, ano po yung gusto mong ituro at ano yung gusto mong gawin ko after hearing this message? Dapat tinatanong natin yun. So, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, ready na po ba tayo? The gospel is the good news of Jesus Christ. The gospel can be summarized as what? The birth, the life, the death, the resurrection, and the ascension of Jesus. After all He has done for us, we should not be ashamed of the gospel of Jesus Christ. Sa lahat po ng ginawa ng ating Panginoong Hesus, dapat hindi po natin ikinakahiya. The gospel is about Christ. It is the power of God unto salvation, and it is for everyone. And for this reason, we must not be ashamed of it, and we look for opportunities to share it boldly.